Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel here. So if you have a Beat Studio Buds and you want to know how you can reset it to put your device into the pairing mode, then this is the video that you want to watch. Imagine you have an iPhone, Android, Mac, Windows, and any other device that you're trying to connect, but the only problem is you don't know how to put your device into the pairing mode in order to connect it. Now, if you want to do it, of course, you need to reset your device to do the process. Now, therefore, the first work I'm going to just go ahead and tell you to do is pretty simple. Now, if you come closer here, you'll be able to see a little tiny button right there. Now first, all you want to do, if you already open up your case, I simply tell you, just close your case, wait around some time, turn it back on, and then just go ahead and check whether your pop-up is coming automatically to your devices or not. Now, what happens sometimes, let's say your device is not being able to detect your device. Now, all you can do, you simply can close your device, or you can lock your device, unlock it again, and see whether you get it or not. Now, if you don't get it, let's say for example, then the next thing that you want to do, all you have to do, you need to press this little button, okay? Now, let me just cut out from all the devices that I have here. So what I'm just going to go ahead and do, I'll press this button, just like that, unless I see the pop-up or the device is appearing the Bluetooth settings. Alright, now you need to keep on holding this button as long as you see the pop-up is appearing on your device. However though, some people say, well, they keep holding and pressing this button down there, but they can't see no pop-up is appearing. This problem may happen especially when you have no charge on your Beat Studio Buds. Therefore, the next thing that you guys can do, just go ahead and charge it up, and then once again press and hold this button unless you see the pairing option appears on your device. Alright guys, so this is how you guys can literally put your Beat Studio Buds into the pairing mode, and this is how you can reset it at the same time. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.